Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings. Looking to take your career to new heights with Pega? HKR Trainings offers the top-notch Pega training to the learner by industry experts. Now, let's see why Pega is used. Imagine you own a company and you have a lot of things to be done every day, including repeated simple tasks like checking the email or sending a memo, etc., and complicated ones like managing the projects and reviewing the budgets, etc. So it can consume a lot of time to complete these tasks. In order to help you get all these tasks to be done very fastly and efficiently, a powerful tool called Pega has been introduced. Using Pega, you could automate many of the routine tasks that help you to focus on the more important tasks, enabling you to make better decisions by analyzing and providing insights. But what is Pega? Pega is a platform that allows organizations to build and deploy business applications in a quick and easy way. It offers a complete suite of tools and technologies to design, develop, test and deploy the business applications. Primary objective of Pega is to automate the business processes, simplify the operations and enhance customer engagement. So it offers a unified platform for building applications that can be integrated with various systems and data sources. Let's see the future scope and career prospects of Pega professionals. Career with Pega. Pega platform is used across various industries like customer services, communications, media and entertainment, energy and utilities, financial services, government, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, automotive, etc. for various purposes. So there are a number of job opportunities for Pega developers. This results in a great demand for skilled Pega developers. Their demand will even continue to rise in future. Moreover, Pega developers earn high income. On an average, a Pega developer can earn around 6 lakhs per annum. In the USA, the minimum salary for entry-level positions can range from $60,000 to $80,000 per year, and experienced professionals can earn well over $100,000 per year. Now, let's go through the topics covered in Pega training. Following are the modules that will be covered in this Pega video. Introduction to Pega. Overview of portals in Pega. Briefing about data model. Designing UI forms. Class structure and rule sets. Collaborating with class group. Flow types. Exploring the user interface. Declarative rules. Case management. Decision rules. Activities. Routing. Validations. SLAs. Connecting to DB by using Connect SQL. Sending an email correspondence. Configuring the web services. Migration. Agents. Debugging tools. Companies using Pega. Companies across various industries are using Pega for their business process automation and customer engagement needs. Some notable companies using Pega include Verizon, Cisco, DHL, Vodafone, Bank of America, T-Mobile, Philips. Not only these, many other organizations use Pega to streamline their business processes and improve customer experiences. Why learn Pega from HKR Trainings? HKR Trainings is a leading provider of Pega training. We provide live instructor-led training with hands-on practical sessions, offering flexible modes of training. We also provide class recordings with lifetime access, which you can use to revise the concepts. We also provide real-time industry projects that give you work experience using the Pega concepts. If you want to build a bright career with Pega, visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.